What is debossing and how to use it? Debossing, like embossing, is part of the typographic finishing and represents an element capable of distinguishing your product, packaging, or printed matter. The effect obtained can become very elegant and highly tactile and give character to your design. In short, a great way to highlight a particular detail. Today, I want to talk to you about debossing. Let's find out together what it is. So what is debossing? It is a process that is part of dry printing, or that type of printing that occurs without inks. Technically, it is a relief, but reversed. It takes place by pressure and is obtained using a metal embossing plate, or we can call it, in this case, debossing plate, on which the desired design has been previously engraved. As for the hot foil stamping plate, brass is preferred, which is more resistant and heavier because it allows more significant pressure. It can be combined with print to add depth and impact or achieve minimal and exquisite designs. How to use it? An effect often used in paper converting, but more niche in adhesive labels, is more delicate to perform. It can be applied without problems to adhesive labels. However, some criticalities must be addressed during the printing phase. During the crushing of the paper, it is necessary to be very careful because if the pressure is too much, the risk is to create an exaggerated difference in height. This represents criticality and it favors the formation of bubbles while applying the labels on the bottle. It is easier to use in the box industry because the starting support or cardboard is thicker. The thicker the paper and therefore the heavier the weight that we can apply, the more influential the debossing is, and it is possible to exert higher pressure and leave some imprint. In this case, the effect obtained remains more evident and therefore the result will be better. My recommendations: there are papers specially designed for this kind of finishing. Talking about labels, one example is the Luce WS Barrier by Fedrigoni Group. It is a material particularly suitable for debossing as it frays more easily, allowing the impression to come up better. Furthermore, the pressure exerted by the plate during the production phase burns the paper's watermark, making it very thin. It is called light precisely because if you look at the pressed paper against the light, you can see through it so much so that it becomes thin. The best uses of debossing are those on pure paper, not printed, as the effect is more evident. Doing so gives the debossing the possibility to come out thanks to the lights and shadows created by the slight depth. However, with the proper techniques and with quality work, you can also get excellent examples in print. The effect obtained, as well as being very elegant, is highly tactile. It is a process that makes you curious when you see it and invites you to approach the product and touch it with your hands. During the purchase phase, the specific moment is crucial and can represent the decisive one in the choice. Debossing is perfect if you want to get an elegant, clean label without too many frills or artistry. In short, a great way to give detail, importance, and character without being too flashy. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos about special techniques for printing. I'm Stefano, and as always, love you all. Ciao!